Hello, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on this Nubia Red Magic 7. Alrighty, so as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Play Store. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up, any search engine of your choice. Next, at the search bar, type in Fortnite. This is not correct, obviously. So Fortnite APK. Among the search results, opt straight for the official Epic Games website. In here, tap on this Get It on the Epic Games app black button and wait for the file to get downloaded. Now we can go ahead and start the installation process, but prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we allow the Google Chrome to install unknown apps, which we'll do by turning on this toggle and finalizing the installation. Now we can go ahead and open the Epic Games launcher. And in here, simply tap on the Get button that is located right in front of a Fortnite. Install the app, or should I say, first of all, we want to get it downloaded. Alrighty, here we gotta let the Epic Games launcher to install unknown apps the same way we did that for the Google Chrome. And finalize the Fortnite installation process. After which, we can go ahead and simply open the app. And prior to actually start playing it, you just gotta simply wait until it gets all the needed updates and resources downloaded, and that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.